My name is Yvvone. I'm originally from Sabah, Kota Kinabalu, but now working in Kuala Lumpur for a few years now. In my spare time, I actually like to do a lot of sports, so I'm in the sun a lot. Badminton, basketball, so all of these things I think, has made my skin a bit more, when you have too much contact with the sun, you get wrinkles, you get here and there kind of pigmentation.
We chose Yvvone because she is a corporate lady who has issues with her appearance when she goes to work. She has to put on extra hours in her daily routine every morning just so she can look her best whenever she appears in the corporate world.
I think signs of aging have actually hit me.
When we first met her, she expressed that she has issues with several parts of the face, mainly sagging, some facial asymmetries, and also some sunken features here and there.
I was very excited, I was very happy when I knew I was the chosen one. I was very anxious as well to see what procedures will be done, but ultimately very happy. My doctor has been treating me very nicely, very good. He's very professional, he gave me good advice, and overall I have confidence in everything he has done for me.
So after the makeover, we noticed that Yvvone is a much more confident person. She is much happier with what she is now and much more satisfied with the way she looks. We actually throughout the whole process addressed her issues and also further improved her appearance in terms of projection and also lifting her face back up.
What I noticed from my friends and also some of my family members is they always say, you look a bit different, you look better, but they can't really tell what changes I've made to my facial features. So that has really given me much more confidence in my daily life, and I feel more confident to go out there with less makeup but looking better and actually more naturally. I'd like to say thank you very much for everything you've done for me, for being so kind to me and being welcoming throughout, and giving me such great advice and such great services, making my experience a wonderful one.